Now let's talk about AI agents, also called Agentic AI. In simple terms, this is AI that can do more than answer questions. It can plan, use tools, and take actions toward a goal. A normal AI assistant responds to your prompt. An AI agent works toward a goal. It may break the task into steps, decide what to do next, use tools, and take actions. That is the main difference. An agent usually has several parts. It has a model, instructions, memory, planning ability, tools, controls, and logging. The model thinks. The instructions guide behavior. The tools allow action. The controls and logs help keep things safe and accountable. Tools are what make agents powerful. An agent may search the web, read files, write documents, update databases, send messages, or trigger workflows. Once AI can interact with systems, it becomes much more useful and much more sensitive. One important idea is action space. This means what the agent is allowed to do. Can it only read information? Can it write data? Can it send emails? Can it make payments? The larger the action space, the higher the risk. Another important idea is autonomy. How much can the agent decide by itself? Some agents need human approval for every step. Some only need approval for important steps. Some act while humans observe. The more autonomy, the more control we need. Agentic systems can also involve multiple agents. One agent may research, another may write, another may check quality, and another may coordinate the workflow. This can be useful, but it also creates more complexity. Agents can support many use cases. They can act as research assistants, customer service agents, coding agents, HR screening support, finance document assistants, or workflow coordinators. The value comes from reducing manual multi-step work. But the same power creates risk. An agent may take the wrong action, act outside its authority, leak data, create biased outcomes, or disrupt connected systems. This is why Agentic AI needs more governance than a simple chatbot. Never give agents unlimited access. Start with low-risk use cases. Limit permissions. Use human approval for important actions. Log what the agent does. Monitor behavior. The goal is not just powerful AI. It is controlled and responsible AI. Understand agents before building agents. Free videos help you understand. Hands-on classes help you apply. Visit the AIHQ.net/shop to choose your learning path.